friends, welcome to Conception, and today we will learn how to program trees and its depth first traversals. Using C language, I have defined a structure named as tree. I have defined the left node, now the data and the right node. Now our tree structure is ready. Now let's define a function new node which will append the data in the tree structure whenever it is called. Here defining a node with the size of our structured tree. If you want to know how the memory allocation works, check out my linked list video from here. I have initialized the left node as null, the data as the passed parameter, and the right node as null. So our tree structure looks like this. Moving on, now return this node. Let's add the data to the tree. Here we are making the same tree which we have discussed in the previous video. The link is given here. Here I have defined the root node and passed 1 as the new node. For the left part of the root node I have assigned 2. Similarly for the right part as 3. Now right's left part as 4 and right's right part as 5. So our tree structure looks like this. With root's left part, root's right part, right's left part and right's right part. Now we will traverse it by using depth first traversals. So defining the preorder function first, passing a node m in the function, apply the null condition and return 0. Make sure you do this step as it is important because it will result in a segmentation fault, as this function takes the whole tree for traversal, and if it encounters a null node, it doesn't know how to react on that condition, so it will throw an error. Now the usual preorder condition, which goes like taking root node first, then recurs for left and right node as I have discussed in my previous video. Now copy the same function for remaining two traversal, just change the names and the traversal condition. So for inorder, recurs the left node in inorder, print the data, recurs the right node in inorder. So for postorder, change the name and apply the condition, which is recurs the left and right node in postorder and print the data. Now all the functions are done, just print them by calling the function. Now just printing the results by passing our root node, which is the starting point of the tree, into the preorder, the inorder and the postorder functions. And here is your result with preorder as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, inorder as 2, 1, 4, 5 and postorder as 2, 4, 3, 1. So thanks for watching this, stay tuned and please like, share and subscribe.